Oh my God, Rowan. This is a PB breaker. Oh my God, dude, that's a chode. Yo, what's going on, guys? Good morning, and welcome to another Tim and Rowan fishing adventure. Yeah. It's gonna be a great day. We are out at Butler County Lake.
Got a big rock.
He wants to show you a big rock. We're out at Butler County State Fishing Lake, and I wanted to come drop in back here at this creek right here where the creek crosses the road, and it looks like we're going to be able to. So this is pretty awesome. We caught some really big bass. I call them really big. So we caught some pretty decent bass out of this creek last time we were here, and we're gonna, last time we were bank fishing, dude. Now we're not. Now we got access to all this, so I can't wait to go check out and see what we can catch and what we can find. We caught some warmouth last time. Rowan caught a ton of bluegills, so he's gonna have a good time today too. So let's go ahead and get it. We got everything unpacked, loaded up, rigged up, rock in my shoe, another rock in my shoe. Okay, I think we're good to go. It is 70 degrees out, which is insane. 7 a.m. Couldn't ask for a better day, I don't think. It's gonna be perfect. Okay, we got the new scale, Bubba. Excited to try this thing out. I did get a $30 one. This is the Bubba Light. I did get a $30 one, and thought it was waterproof, and it wasn't. So that's fun. So I took it back, and they exchanged it for the Bubba, which was definitely waterproof. So. All right, gonna put that like that. We're gonna grind the ground a little bit to get this thing in the water, and hopefully have a clean wash. The water is cold. And I'm sinking. There we go, just like that. I like to slip into mine. Another one. What's that? What is it? All right, and we're off. All right, what do we got on here right now? We got a little jig. What's a little bandito bug?
This is the tiniest fish ever.
Oh, a little green sunfish, huh?
He's so tiny. I always just wait for them to do this.
Yeah, see, this is what I was hoping for. Just barely moving. Plenty of time to fish everything. Oh my God, something just smashed me. Holy crap. I was not ready for that. That was a big bite. Holy moly. See, this is the type of stuff you'd never see if you didn't have some sort of a boat or a kayak and get back here. Kayaks are like the ninjas of boating. Oops. Oh, I had a bite. It wasn't a big enough bite to take it. It might have been a bluegill. He's on it again. Did I get him? Oh, little bass. Oh, yep. Come on down, buddy. Little tiny bass.
That's ridiculous.
Little tiny guy. There he is.
Let me go.
Yep. If I see any, I'll smack them down. Oh, you know what? I should probably. Yep. All right. Just grab on, hey, just grab onto the sticks and push your way through with the sticks. Let me go first so I can figure out the best way.
See that tiny gap? I think.
Oh, actually, looks like we might be able to go left here. Oh yeah, there's some water over there. Okay. I thought it was all grass. I really wonder about the high position. Since I'm here, I might as well try some more. I tried the high position previously and I wasn't a big fan. Maybe we'll try it again. That's a good fishing spot right there, Rowan. That tree, dude. Better fish it before you get too close. All right, here we are on the high position. Feels weird. Definitely feels a lot more wobbly in the high position. Holy smokes. Big old fish behind us. All right, we're definitely going back to the low position. It's amazing the little bit of a difference that it makes with the seat placement. That sounded like coyotes. I said that sounded like coyotes. We have coyotes here, Rowan. They're not hyenas. He said there's only coyotes in Africa.
Where's my monster bass spot?
We passed it. That was it back there. Oh. Got one. Got a nice little dude. Ow. Dude, they're really good at shaking themselves off. Alright, guys. You gotta relax for half a second here.
Dad, you're gonna scare all my fish away.
I ain't scaring nothing away. You ain't even casting. What are you talking about? Alright, let's try this new scale, shall we? Even though he's not scale worthy, I still wanna. Alright, dude, chill out. 0.8. 0.8. There he is. Thanks, dude. 0.8. We're not playing Paddle Roller 2000. Oh, there's no bite. Oh, he's decent. Stay on, buddy. A little bit bigger. Maybe. Kind of looks like the same dang fish. All right, man. Dude, these freaking fish love to flop around in my kayak.
That's because they noticed that there's water.
Yeah, he's a little smaller than the other guy. Got some grass CC. Holy shit, you got a fish? Brother. Hold on, I'm coming. Don't let him get away from you. Is that a catfish? Hold on, I'm coming. Don't get in the boat. Don't get him in the boat. I got him. I'm coming, buddy. You just hang on to him. You just hang on to him.
This is my second ever catfish.
Drag the line over to me. Oop. Oh boy, we're stuck in a tree. Oh, we lost him. You put your pole in the tree, my dude. No, you put your pole in the tree. I'm just saying, well, I know, but you could have prevented this. But that's okay. You caught one. That was a channel cat.
That was crazy.
You just started laughing. That's how I know you catch a fish, is when you just start laughing. Dude, these vines are crazy. All right, now I'm stuck in the tree, which is even more crazy. 9%. We got 9%, so we'll have to do a battery change soon. Haven't caught a fish in a while. Oh, speaking of that, I just got smacked. There we go. Hey, holy, hello. Holy crap, bro, what the heck? Oh my God. Oh my God, Rowan. This is a PB breaker. This is a PB. No, it's a bass. Oh my God, dude, that's a chode. Let's go, dude. Holy crap. Absolute chode. No, I'm weighing him. Oh yeah, new PB. Finally.
What is it?
Oh my God.
What is it?
3.44, dude. 3.44. Finally, after 3 months, I broke my PB. Look at that bass, dude.
Holy moly. Hey, Bass, say hi to the chat.
Oh, dude, I don't even have my life jacket on. All right, guy. Relax. You're not helping me, Rowan. With all that laughing, bro.
You said hi to the chat.
I just realized I don't have my freaking life jacket on.
You said hi to everybody.
All right. Ow, ow, ow.
Dad, you're already a life jacket.
18 inches even, dude. 3.44. Thank you so much for that bite, bro. Oh. Nice peaceful swim off. Dude, huge fish. Let's go.
That is crazy, dude.
I beat my PB.
Everybody, that is crazy.
Without my life jacket on.
Woohoo, dude. Also, Dad, you're already a life jacket.
I am a life jacket. I am a life jacket. Wow, 3.44.
That's crazy.
Let's go, dude.
Imagine if he just came back, opened his mouth, and then tried to splash me. Kind of like other people with massive.
Dude, I did not think he was that big. Like seriously, he didn't get big until about halfway through me reeling him in.
That is crazy.
I'm serious. Like he was small whenever I set the hook. And then he just kept getting bigger and bigger as I was reeling him in, and then I was like, oh God, there's a big one. Right here in this little tree. Fish? Oh, fish. Oh, big jump. Nice. Alrighty. There goes Rowan's fish. Show the camera real quick. Oh, yeah, there you go. Swoosh. Nice catch, Bubba. What are you using? You're using a plastic paddle tail? Little plastic paddle tail. What an awesome fishing day. Oh, what the heck? Dude, a little dinky doo, bro. Little dinky bro. Spinner doesn't have the braid on there, but that's okay. Should be okay. Okay, I think I'm just looking at a shit ton of frogs, which is hilarious. Whoa, something just took it. What the heck? I wasn't even paying attention. Did you see it? You did see it? I was paying no attention at all. I mean, I thought I was, but apparently I wasn't. Oh, man. I was not ready for it. Damn. Okay. Apparently there's just fish right here that are wanting to eat this frog. It helps that there's a lot of frogs just sitting on the top of the water. Dude, what is happening? Are we for real? What is happening right now? Since all these frogs are sitting on this like shallow spot, I have a feeling that there's just a lot of bass along this line that are just waiting for them to jump in the water. But this is also the first time I've ever had any sort of a blow up on a frog, so that makes me happy. Oh. What the frick? This got me excited. I might get a frogfish today. Might get my first frogfish today.
Oh, that was so funny, dude.
Oh my god, come on, bro.
That was so funny, dude.
You guys gotta get it. Oh, one just tried to take it. Oh, one has it. Wait, what? I'm so confused, dude. I can't see the damn frog good enough.
That's so funny.
I can't see it good enough to even know if it got taken or not. Oh, that's a take. Oh, that was awesome. Are we freaking kidding me right now? Dude, that was a blow up like crazy. That was the biggest blow up I've had yet. Alright, here we are. I wanted to catch more fish, but unfortunately they shut off. I got you. There you go. Alright, get out. Alright, everyone. Well, alright, folks. Crazy adventure indeed, as Rowan stated. Yeah, dude.
I just want to walk out.
There it is.
I just want to wash
No,
myself like a
you're
bird.
drying off is what you need to do.
I want to wash myself like a bird.
You want to wash yourself like a bird. Lord help me, dude. Let me know if any of you guys... Oh, wait. Is it still recording? Okay. Let me know if there's anything you guys could think of that I could do about this. After I sit in it for a couple hours, this side and that side, it's doing the same thing. Boom, boom. It's almost like it's going to fold in half on me. I wonder if I can take a bolt through this, maybe. Maybe a bolt all the way through this to, you know, like a nut on this side, nut on that side type of deal. Maybe to keep it from caving in. But, you know, this kayak's brand new, so I feel like that particular thing should be happening. But, I don't know. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. And, yeah. Glad I broke my PB today. So, we'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, which, by the way, the next one is going to be insane. So make sure you subscribe.